Sheesh. We're in the hood with the homies.
Northtown.
Northtown with it. What is this one? The RFZ.
5 months after. No, already.
Su madre, huh?
You fucking stupid ass brother, bro. What the fuck is fucking truck, man.
God damn, that shit is great.
Fishing.
God damn. Just a little scrape, just a little bit. Otra vez, mira. Ouch.
Now I see why that's missing.
You gotta sand it down a little bit, huh?
Oh, look, there's my other fishing rod. Man, she got hella leaves. There you go.
It'll add to the flame.
Oh yeah, it's a little bit. Just a little baby. Oh.
Deceased?
Hit that shit with a stick. Yeah, hit that shit. Watch. What's that shit? Hit that shit hard, yeah. There you go. Hit that shit. Hit this.
Oh.
It's dead.
Maybe next time, and we'll be out in the water with it. Not for today, guys. About to go for a ride. This is what I'm gonna be riding today. This little thing. So much fun. This is what the homie Roach is riding. He's got the E dirt bike, the Beta. This thing looks sick too.
Crazy though. That's crazy though. They make bikes too.
We made it to the halfway point. We're here at Craig Ranch, all the way to the north. From the north to the even more north. What you think?
I like it. I'm for sure in the slow mode.
Slow mode?
Yeah, do you
Slow
hold it?
motion with it. I'm not sure how to use this. I've never used it.
Oh, there you
I want to try it out too. Okay. Into the sunset. That was fucking sick. Fuck, it looks like we hit the end of the trail. It's all rocks from here, and there's a fence over there. We're gonna look at the maps right now and see if we could find another trail. But we made it pretty far up. The sun's almost all the way down, so we're probably gonna head back soon. Gonna keep riding a little bit, and then ride back in the darkness. Had to stop real quick. Pit stop, you know what it is. Quick grub sesh, getting gas, and we're heading back to the crib. See you guys over there. Well, back where they started. That was a sick ass ride. Definitely need to get some more gear so I could strap the camera to the helmet or something. Gotta be a safe driver.
You gotta get the bathroom next time. So we could go around Vegas, man.
Time for the new. You already know we had to go with that Freedom Pharmacy Board Shop 4th of July special. Damn. First try kickflip or what? Damn. Still got one of the best kickflips. Shifty.
Shifty. Oh. Fuck. What is that?
What happened?
Look.
It's peeling from the paint?
It's like, what the fuck?
The pepper's peeling? No, I might have to regrip it.
That's fucked up. Look at that.
Holy shit.
I've never seen that happen.
Yeah.
Wait.
It's malfunctioning. I'm gonna have to regrip this. Holy shit. My brand new grip board started unpeeling itself, but it's weird because it's like the grip tape is coming off of the adhesive, so I don't know. I'm about to regrip this. Hopefully it was just this sheet and not the whole batch. The good thing is that it was fresh grip, so it's gonna come off easy. The bad thing is that I don't want to have to redo it. I'm so lazy now. What do you guys think? Should I just grip over the bolts? I think I am. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna make it more flush. I just made sure they were nice and flush with the wood so I don't feel them under my grip tape. Grip tape number 2. Hopefully this one sticks. Wow, you guys, that looks so weird. Look at that. Clean ass cut. Okay, I think this will do. We'll keep it like this. See you guys tomorrow at a skate spot. Peace.
Got this tree, man.
What are we doing?
We're getting a tree, man.
Travis is gonna make a chair out of a tree stump that he said he saw over here on the street. So
Landscaping's backyard, man. So I'll pull out like right here in the trunk and then
well, that was the most random side mission. Now we're gonna go to Travis's house and drop it off, and then we're gonna go to the spot, skate it up a little bit. So see you guys at Travis's house.
we got 2 hard workers right here, you know, lives in a big old tree stump. Boy, Travis landscaped his backyard, putting some finishing touches. Careful, gentlemen. This entire backyard was dirt. Dude, thank you guys. Fuck yeah. Whoa.
It was all just gravel before.
I dug out the biggest tree stumps right here. Literally, I had to dig a hole as big as this putting green to get the freaking tree out. It took like 10 hours. We did all the irrigation to these. I put in the electrical. I ordered some dimming films that go over this to try and dim it. It looks like the police are like shining a light through your window. It's like way too bright. Fire pit, yeah.
See,
Got a couple
beautiful
of
house.
plants. I still gotta fill in the, I got Miami Island right here, you know.
Dope, dude.
Yeah. I'm gonna get Justin Gonzalez
All right, Andy, what happened?
So I packed up the car and we forgot the generator. So luckily we're not too far. I'm running to get it. They're gonna warm up. We'll be right back.
He forgot the Jenny. We're here at the spot though, so me and Travis are just gonna warm up. He'll be back in like 15 minutes. Holy shit, a manual pad. Let's try and get a couple clips here before Andy comes back. And he's back. Hell yeah.
Mission successful.
All right, I'll help you with this. God damn, that motherfucker heavy. Bam. It's like daytime now.
Nice ass ledge. Oh, shit.
So good.
Beautiful ass ledge. Those are some nice legs.
God damn, dude. Who put that there?
Oh. Oh. Let's go.
All right, I think it's time to put my camera away and we're gonna try a trick on this camera. Hopefully we're not here for 3 hours.
Climbed in there or what?
Fuck you guys. We got here at like 8:30. Tried for like 3 hours. Fuck, we're gonna have to come back though. Travis got his clip though.
Name of the game though.
Fuck yeah.
Cheers, mate.
Didn't get it this time. Gonna have to come back. It's all good though, so we'll come back another night. At least I got one clip though, and Travis got his clip, so good night either way. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned and see you guys on the next sesh. Peace.